Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very delicious and yummy recipe of shawarma. This is very easy to make and super delicious. Usually shawarmas are made on the shawarma machine, that's like a grill, but you can easily make it at home. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this amazing and delicious shawarma. 600 grams of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of butter and mayonnaise, pita bread or tortillas, some onion sliced and some cabbage sliced, some cucumber and tomatoes sliced, 1 lemon, some hot and sweet tomato sauce, salt as required, and some coal for the smoky flavor. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat the chicken breast nice and flat. I'm using a hammer. It has a rubber head, so beat it from both the sides. Alright, my chicken is nicely beaten and now I'm adding salt to it. I'm going to add half a lemon juice, chili powder, black pepper powder and tandoori masala. Add ginger garlic paste. Now mix the masala nicely together and make sure you massage all the masala into the chicken very nicely. So I've marinated the chicken and I'm going to keep this for at least 2 hours. So onto a skillet or a tawa or a frying pan, whatever you have, you can just use it. I have added around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add some butter. So now the butter and oil has heated nicely. I'm adding the chicken pieces. So after cooking it for 5 minutes on one side, I'm going to flip it. At least flip it 3 to 4 times from each side so that it cooks nicely from the inside. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the butter, which is just optional. If you want, you can avoid it. Actually, I'm using butter because it gives a nice buttery taste, and in the original shawarma recipe you'll see that they use fat, beef or chicken fat. So I'm going to replace that by adding some butter. Alright, just go ahead and flip it again. and cover it and make sure the flame is low and cook for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the chicken is all done, and now I'm going to flip it one more time. The aroma of the chicken is so good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a small bowl, and into that I'm going to keep a burning coal to give the smoky flavor. I'm trying the best to give the original flavor. So what I've done is I've added some oil and kept a lid. Alright, so the smoke has all gone, and now I removed it out, and my chicken is all done. So to make the salad, what I've done is I've taken some onion, I have washed it nicely and soaked for some time in the water so it becomes nice and crisp, and now I'm adding the cabbage. You can use lettuce as well. And I'm adding some cucumbers, some tomatoes, salt as desired, and some lemon juice. Toss it, and your salad is all done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the chicken and I'm going to chop it onto a chopping board with a knife, of course. If you want, you can keep large pieces or small pieces, it depends on you. I'm going to keep medium pieces. Alright, so I have some pita bread, and this is homemade pita bread. You can watch the recipe on my channel, or you can even take tortillas, and I'm going to put some mayonnaise on it. I'm using the classic one. You can use a garlic flavor if you like, and I'm using some hot and sweet tomato sauce. I'll be uploading the tortilla recipe soon, so do watch that also. You can use tortilla or the pita bread. So now I'm adding the salad to it, and now I'll just put the chicken pieces. This grilled chicken tastes awesome. So now just go ahead and fold it. If you have parchment paper, you can use that, but right now I'm using a toothpick, fresh ones of course, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just prick it from down and remove it from up like a stitch. That's it, and my shawarma is all done. Same way I'm going to make all the other shawarmas. Alright, all my shawarmas are done, and I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.